Today's a very exciting day. We got to open a brand new exhibit, and this exhibit is so fun. It's called the Guzzle Vortex. It's designed to meet all ages, but primarily for the younger kids, and just let them have a good time while learning some of the basics of science. We have some aliens, some residents of an exoplanet, and the kids get to feed those aliens their little food, but then the food flies through what we call an air maze, a set of tubes that have a lot of airflow through, that carries these targets all through the tubes and teaches the kids how airplanes fly, how helicopters fly on other planets. It helps kids understand about other worlds that don't orbit our own sun, and it helps kids understand our search for extraterrestrial life in our universe, all while they're having a great time just chasing around these targets out of these air tubes.